In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can enable the dark mode for Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. So click on the Start button, open Word, click on the blank document, click on the File tab on the ribbon. Then you have to click on Account, and here you'll find the Office theme. So click on the drop down. So for the Microsoft Office products, you have different themes. You have dark gray, black, white, use system setting, and colorful. Unlike for your Windows, which only has the light and the dark mode, here you can choose anything that you prefer. You can go on with colorful, use system setting, white, black, and dark gray. But since we're going to enable the dark mode for this application, so we need to choose black. And that's it. Now for the PowerPoint. Once you open the Microsoft PowerPoint, that will also be in a dark mode because they are all Microsoft Office 365 products. And that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.